Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices, and today we have Deal 5. Deal 5 is confirmed. If you find this useful and helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I think we're so close. I don't think we're there yet. We can take a quick live look, and we're at 19,965, which is nuts. So hopefully we can get there today. Let's get to 20,000 subs. Appreciate everybody who has subbed and who has supported. Thank you, HARBROs. But let's jump right in. We have, of course, going on today, welding, 35% off. And we'll zoom in a little bit here. 35% off all Chicago Electric Titanium and Vulcan welding helmets. So if you're in need of a welding helmet, this is the time to do it while supplies last, of course. And then also 40% off all welding wires, electrodes, rods, and tips. So that makes sense. And then, of course, tomorrow, $149.99 for the Pittsburgh 2.5 ton low profile aluminum racing floor jack with rapid pump. Save $70. And then if you can get this today, get it today because you'll save more money. But for Monday, tomorrow, we have the Badland 1.5 ton off-road jack with rapid pump, precise descent control, 230. Save $50. If you get it today and your ITC, you can save $56. And I just believe Harbor Freight did this because this hasn't really been on sale. So this is really, in their eyes, the first sale for this jack, but 20% is better than $50 off. And then also don't forget, last chance today, if you see this soon, 15% off any single item. And then of course, 20%, which is what we're talking about for ITC, any single item. But let's look at deal of the day number 5. And let's zoom in here. Deal of the day number 5. Two great deals. And here's the one, 25% off all gas engines. Off all gas engines. I'm pretty sure the gas engines, is it only Predator? I guess we'll see. We'll look up all gas engines, 25% off, which I don't think I've seen a deal on engines. I might be wrong, in the last 12 months, 18 months, maybe on specific, but not all engines. So this one feels pretty new and pretty fresh. And then, of course, all the mini steel toolboxes, $13.99, 26% off, normally $19. And that's a pretty decent deal. Although these have been with the 30% off of $20 or less, have been good deals. And if our flyer is correct on the 26th to the 28th, not in time for Christmas. So this is their push for Christmas gifts, which they make good Christmas gifts. I got the purple one for a white elephant. 26th to the 28th will be 30% off items under $20. So technically, there will be a better deal coming up on these at 30% off. But if you want it in time for Christmas, 26% off for $14 is a pretty decent deal. So let's just take a quick look at the engines to see what is available. So here we have Predator is the only one that came up, which makes sense. Let's sort these from high to low. This confirms what was in Santa Claus's Harbor Freight Christmas cart, and it was this one that was in the cart, the Ghost 212cc Ghost Kart racing engine. So whoever's building some go-karts, here we go. $329.99, and I guess we will start off with this. $329.99. And at 25% off, you're gonna get down to $247. So saving about over $80 on this 212cc Ghost Kart racing engine, real life Mario Kart. That is nice. Who's looking into this? Pretty interesting. The priciest here is the Predator, 22 horsepower V-twin horizontal shaft gas engine. Replacement for 22 horsepower gasoline engines at $949.99. I don't even think this is a class in Mario Kart. This is beyond that. 87 fuel octane, 4,000 RPM. What are you using this for? Warranty information, all important. Emissions control on your engine will be free from defects and material workmanship 2 years. And then the product to be free of defects for 90 days. Not the greatest warranty. But here, the 22 horsepower Predator engine, 670cc, and at $950, whoops, you're gonna save $237. Getting it down to $712. which is about right. 250 on 1,000 be 25%. So 200, almost 240 bucks of saving on the more expensive engine. Anybody in the market for this one? And then it goes down from there. The 15.8 horsepower, 459cc performance horizontal shaft gas engine. That's at 450, and at 25% off, you're getting it for 337. So still saving over $100, $110, $112 there. The 13 horsepower, 420cc horizontal shaft engine, getting that at 380, getting it down to 285. So $95 savings there. And Predator has quite a bit of options. 8 horsepower, 301cc. Now we are into the Mario Kart engine sizes at 250, 25% off, getting that down to 187. So saving over $60. The 5.5 horsepower, 173cc vertical shaft engine that looks more like a lawnmower engine, 230, getting that down to 172. So about $60 of savings there also. The Ghost 212cc kart racing engine accessory kit. So I don't think this is on sale, although it seems necessary. So if you're getting that go-kart kit, don't forget about the accessory kit. Just FYI, that looks awesome and fun to do. And then rounding out, we have the 6.6 horsepower max performance OHV horizontal gas shaft engine at 180. Get that for 25% off, get it down to 135. And then you have the 6.5 horsepower horizontal shaft gas engine at 150. 25%, get that for $112.50 for this 212cc engine. And then the last but not least, the 3 horsepower 79cc horizontal shaft gas engine, 120, which seems like a crazy deal for an engine, but even crazier of a deal at 25% off, getting this for less than $100, $90, saving $30 on this engine. And then we'll just take a quick look at the mini steel toolboxes. And just one thing to note, there was design changes in most of the newer ones that have come out. I don't know if they've made those updates to the older colors. I feel like there's been 3 different versions. Maybe they're all up to date now, but I'm pretty sure that's what drove the price difference initially. Durable ball bearing, drawer slides for easy opening, corrosion resistant, magnetic drawer locking mechanism. Let's just check one of the original colors. Well, they all say the same thing, so maybe all the mini steel toolboxes have been updated, but let us know, HARBROs, if you know if there's any difference between the first, second, and third generations, what the HARBROs should look out for. But $16.99, they're all the same price now, and they will be on sale for $13.99. Although here on the flyer, it's showing that they're $18.99, which is a little bit misleading. Has it at $18.99, so maybe there will be a price increase on all of them, but we've known the website tends to have different prices, and here it is, $16.99. And I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Who's getting a welding helmet today? Who got their Bauer, their mini? I know a lot of you got your mini meme tool yesterday. Any welders stocking up today? Anybody picking up floor jacks tomorrow? The Badland is still pretty nice. Pick that one up today. And so far, no word yet on the icon wrenches, at least not yet as of I'm making this. I'll do some research right now. We got 25% off all gas engines, and then mini steel toolboxes for $14. Let me know what you're getting. Happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers and beyond. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.